The increasing frequency and intensity of wildfires on mountains are clear indicators of the escalating climate crisis. These fires, often exacerbated by prolonged droughts and higher temperatures, have profound impacts on the ecosystems they ravage. Vegetation, once a carbon sink, transforms into a significant source of carbon emissions, further intensifying global warming. Additionally, the loss of forest cover reduces biodiversity, disrupts water cycles, and augments soil erosion. Understanding the relationship between wildfires and climate change is crucial for developing effective mitigation strategies. Research in this domain highlights the necessity of integrated management approaches that encompass both fire prevention and climate change adaptation.